How to install printer. A quick guide to install printer. Install and configure a printer for your office or home use. Go to Start menu, Settings and Printers and Faxes. If you are running on Windows 7, go to Control Panel and select Printers and Faxes from there. Double-click and add a printer option in the Printers and Faxes folder. Click the Next button on the welcome screen of Add Printer Wizard. Select the local printer and click on the Next button. But make sure that your printer is plugged in. Select a port from the drop-down menu and click on the Next button. Select the manufacturer and printer and then click the Next button. Specify a name for the printer and settings for using the printer as a default printer. If you want to share the printer on the network, click on the Next button. Specify the settings for sharing the printer and click on the Next button. Specify the location and comment for the printer and click the Next button. Specify whether or not to print a test page and click Next button. Click Finish to finish the wizard and the printer has been installed.